Hey guys, it's Erica. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. Okay, so on this vlog, I want to, it's kind of like a vlog, and I'm digging in my nose. It's kind of like a vlog. Well, it is a vlog because I'm gonna take you guys with me, but I'm gonna do something different since we are still in quarantine. I want my eyebrows waxed. As you guys can see, if you know me, I already have like super thick eyebrows anyway, and they're like really bushy. If I was like, yeah, like you see them, they're really bushy and they curly. So my eyebrows want, listen. So I discovered that you can relax if you have bushy curly eyebrows. You can relax your eyebrows to get them to be like, to get the hairs on here to be straighter. So I am going to attempt, Lord Jesus, please be with me, but I am going to attempt to relax my eyebrow. I'm gonna just groom my eyebrows, and I want to show you guys the whole process. I'm gonna show you a little bit of it. I'm not gonna show the whole thing because I really want to be focused on it, because if you know me, you know that I'm deep when it comes to my eyebrows. Like, I would cry if someone messed up my eyebrows. Like, yeah, it's that serious for me. So we finna get ready to I'm gonna go to CVS so I can get the tools and stuff that I need for this little project for today. So I'm bringing you guys along. Okay, so I feel like something's in my eye. I just pulled up at CVS. I am gonna go in here and get the stuff that I need for my it was hot out here. Get the stuff that I need for my eyebrows. Oh, somebody there. Oh wow. Hi. I don't know where that's coming from. Okay, so I'm gonna go over here. One spot, eyebrows. Get these right here. I'll get these. It has a little comb that goes with it too. Those are cute. Those are $14.99 though. Okay, no, I don't want none of those. Okay. I just need some small eyebrow scissors. That's for cuticle. This is for grooming. Okay, so we're gonna go with this. So made this. I think I need tweezers too, but I think tweezers would be over here. Yeah. Oh my god, these tweezers. $8.99. Okay, so we're gonna get tweezers, this, and now I did need a face mask. Excuse me, I'm sorry. What is this? Detox Bernie, my favorite. And no, oh boy, we can go this way. I should have got a basket. And for hair, so now we have to go in the section. Okay, they have the one that I wanted. I want it like, I need normal. What is this? New growth? No, that's new shine. Wait, what is the difference? Is this actually relaxer? New growth, no lie hair relaxer. Oh, that says texturizer right there. Oh, that says extra strength. That's why we don't need no extra strength, not on our eyebrows. So I'm gonna get this, and this. So this is what we came in here for. All right, so you guys, I am gonna start on this process. I'm not gonna talk while I'm doing it. I'm just gonna do it. So I got a regular, I didn't get extra because no, we're doing a normal, and then I am doing the oh, I ripped the box. I was supposed to take a thumbnail. I'll take that later, but I don't know why I smelled it. I already mixed the stuff up. If you can see inside here, it's like a regular relaxer. If you got a relaxer before, you know how to mix it up and put the activator and everything in. So now what I am gonna do is I need to find, I thought I had some they didn't give me any. I need some like grease or something. I don't have any grease, but I'm gonna I think I do have something like Vaseline or something. I have this right here that I'm gonna use. Well, no bugger. This say it got tea tree oil in it, and I don't want nothing with tea tree oil in it. I don't know. I was trying to like to keep my like, you know, they tell you these things. I thought they used to come with like Vaseline or something, but they don't come with Vaseline anymore. Give me a minute. Okay, so since I wanted some type of oil base to go on my brows before I did it, I just used, plus this is natural, I just used rosehip oil. Yeah, so I'm just gonna get a regular little spoolie and brush my eyebrows up. And yeah, see, I want my eyebrows to stay up like this. Like they don't do that. They just curl and they be looking crazy, and it'd be hard for anybody to really arch them how I want to because they so curly, especially like right here at the end. Lord Jesus, y'all pray for me. Okay, so I'm gonna put these gloves on, and I'm not gonna keep it on for too long. I'm only gonna do it for a little bit. So yeah, so I'm gonna use this same spoolie to continue to brush it up, and I'm only taking a little bit of the what we got of the stuff and putting it right on my hair. This feels so funny. Not like, it's not a tingling feeling. I'm just like, I never put anything on my eyebrows, so it's like a different type of feeling. I don't know, it's just like weird. Okay, wait, what time is it? Okay, 6:08. I'm not burning my skin off, so I'm not leaving this on too long, y'all. And then now I'm gonna get this spoolie and just kind of brush it up. It seems like it's doing the job. I look so crazy. Yeah. I am not trying to get this mess on my hair. Okay. Yeah. So can't believe I'm doing this, y'all. I really hope it works. If not, it's hair will back. 8. What if my eyebrows was like this? That's crazy. Okay, this stuff is literally gonna go in the trash because I'm not using this for anything else, and I don't think, yeah, I'm gonna be doing this again. Okay. So we got 2 more minutes. I think I left it on here for 5 minutes. 2 more minutes. I started at 6:08 and it is now 6:11. So yeah, in 2 more minutes I'm gonna take it off. Okay, yeah, I don't think I'm gonna wait 2 minutes because I'm starting to feel it tingle a little bit, and it's time to take this off. Okay, so I'm gonna go wipe this off and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, of course I knew I wasn't gonna be able to wash it without taking them lashes off, so I had to take my lashes off. But y'all, look at this, it did it. Like, it did it. I'm like, I am shocked. It did it. Like, it's so like straight and not cut. Now I can see everything over here. Like, it did it. So if you have bushy eyebrows, girl, yeah. I'm shocked. I'm like, yeah, I'm shocked. I'm shocked. And I only left it on for 5 minutes. Like, only for like, yeah, only like 5 minutes. I'm shocked. I'm like so shocked right now. So I came outside. I kind of arched them a little bit. Y'all, it came out so good. Yeah, they came out really good. I like how it came out. Really cute. I mean, I already have bushy eyebrows anyway, but the fact that they're straight now is like a plus. It's a plus. So yeah, I'm shocked. Like, they cute, y'all. Yeah, girl. So I think I'm gonna just end the vlog here because I'm not doing anything else. I done showed you guys how I did my eyebrows, and yeah, that's pretty much what all this vlog is gonna be about today. Because I'm not doing anything else but just sitting at the house. I'm gonna edit a few more videos, and then yeah, that's my day.